and welcome to Lemon Kun. Today we are diving into a recipe that's perfect for the chilly winter days. Cream of chicken soup with veggies. This steaming bowl of goodness is not just a treat for your taste buds but also your cozy evenings. Let's dive right into the kitchen magic. Start by creating a rich and flavorful stock. In a pot, combine chicken with bones, boneless chicken, small onion, garlic, carrot, salt, bay leaf, peppercorns, and 1 or 1.5 liters of water. Bring it to boil and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, remove the chicken with bones, shred them, and set aside. Let the remaining stock cool, then blend the mixture and set aside for later use. Before we move on, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any of our delectable recipes. Now let's create the star of the show. In a pot, melt some butter, add chopped garlic, and saute until aromatic. Toss in finely chopped onion, saute until translucent. Then add finely chopped carrot, boiled peas, corns, mushrooms, and any veggies of your choice. Sprinkle in some flour and stir it for 2 minutes. Gradually add the prepared stock. Now add milk, salt, shredded chicken, turn off the flame and add cream for that luscious texture. Turn the heat back on and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Garnish with green onion. This creamy goodness can be served with breadsticks or dinner rolls. The choice is yours. And there you have it, a delicious and creamy chicken soup that's bound to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for joining us today. Until our next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.